All right, Rick, where we at?
All right, we are out at Sacramento at the Float Life headquarters, and we have organized a one-wheel and electric vehicle meetup. We got all the one wheels out here. I got the beautiful one wheel. We got all these other electric powered vehicles. So we got the solo wheel. Homie was showing us a big jump that he hit. We got the electric longboards, the scooters. We literally have it all. I don't know what's in store, but I think we're gonna cruise around, go for kind of like a joyride out here, have some fun. I got a glow stick. Everyone's dressed up. It's really exciting. I think it's gonna be a fun time. But maybe let's just meet some of the homies. What's up, guys?
Oh, Hunter, Gunner, it's your dad. What's up, guys? Chilling with the Braille crew. You know, we watch them, we skate. This is who we watch, who we teach us. Out here getting to meet them and hang out. Super dope. Wish you guys were here.
We're in California, baby.
Oh, blackboarding?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mo.
I'm pretty new here. I just started here like 2 months ago, and honestly, it's the best environment I've ever been in. Besides the music scene, this is like home.
Glow is converted over there.
It's nighttime where y'all at. Just know you can still have fun during the night.
Hey, you know what you say? You know what you say?
What?
I hope the moon is glowing where you're at.
Hey. If it's dark, get a one wheel. You'll light the whole way up.
I can't believe you're leaving, Uzi. Hey, let's go, Mo.
Let's go.
Thank you all very much for coming out. Appreciate you all. Thank you all for being cool. We got the Braille homies here. Give it up. Let's have a good time. Try not to get in the way of traffic. Try not to get hit by a car. And then very last rule, everyone have a ton of fun right now. Let's give it up. Let's roll.
Hey, I'm out here. Check out Lil Dog. Lil Homie. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Oh my God.
We go!
Hey, if y'all watching this, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm in Sacramento right now. It's about 6:30. I'm on 5th Street with the owner of Float. Woo! We get crazy! Yeah! I can't even keep up. I'm on myself. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know where I'm at. I got cars coming in on me. Hey, wait! Oh, the homie coming back for me. Holy.
I've been looking for you.
Bro, this is unbelievable. The vibe is vibing. There's so many people. I actually can't believe it. Yo, you whipping. Here we are.
I'm with the boss man
That's
right
it,
now.
baby. Float Life group ride. We got an official count of 96.
96.
96.
Let's go.
I think we're gonna pick up a couple on this ride. We may hit 100 before the end of it.
Yeah, sick glasses. Hey, on the bikes with it though. Looking clean.
You know what's great as well is that it's not just all these young 20-year-old males. It's literally a solid mix of just all different kinds of people, all different walks of life, and we just out here floating, brother. Yo,
You get a shot of me, Rick? You got a shot of me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out the runners. Hope y'all having a good day. You know what I'm saying? I should be running. I should be running.
We are not holding up traffic anymore, Rick.
We are the traffic.
We are the
We are the traffic.
Man, if y'all watching this, this is a lovely, you get a whole 45 minutes with me right now on a one wheel. You on a Harley. My bad, my bad.
I'm so happy that one-wheeling came into our lives, brother.
Me too.
How did it take this long? What have we been doing? Why are we ripsticking? I know you're gonna ripstick again, Dave. It's one wheel.
Imagine you trying to ripstick right now.
I know.
Woo! Check out the little dog. Nice costume.
Thank you.
Oh, the man on the chair. The man with the plan. I don't know where I'm at, y'all. Mowgli done dipped off on me. Check out beautiful downtown.
It just is really so much more nice than an electric longboard by like a million times. I tell you what's great about the one-wheel community, you know? I feel like everything we say, be who you are, you know, enjoy the journey, embrace your spirit. I feel like they got it dialed. Don't you agree?
I agree.
Look at that. Would you look at that seat, man? I ain't never in life thought I'd be on a one wheel in Sacramento cruising by myself looking at a bridge. Got the police with us? Y'all need to be on one of these. Having fun. Pop one, pop one. Come on, let me see. Yo! 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 Okay! we out here. Shout out the homies. Oh, I finally caught up with my dog. I met up with my team. I got Mo with me.
Bro, it got crazy. The cops? You saw the cops?
I told the cops you need to hop on a one wheel. They're like, yeah.
I love your dog. Oh, the squad.
Yeah! Bro, past the cops. Got a lady to cheer for us. Gabe, I remember when you were a baby.
Yeah!
Big group of one-wheelers is crazy. We're taking over the streets.
The cops are bummed.
We're out here. Cops can't stop us.
Rick, the cops are after you.
Hey?
The cops are after you.
What up?
All terrain!
Yeah, Chris.
Yeah.
I've never seen you looking more unbalanced.
I know.
Oh, this ground is sketchy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Terrain.
All terrain. Whoa. Woo. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Bro went straight into the thing and body.
Oh, what? Whoa, let's go.
Oh, this is a nice area. Okay. What's up, bro? What's up?
Oh, it's a Chris-sized handrail.
Yeah! I got my bro with me. Okay. Go!
Here we are. Group ride, baby.
This is surreal.
Pretty fun, right? I mean, I'm just glad you brought the necessary footwear. I know. Me too. Solid. And they match the board too, dude. You're looking so
wait.
saucy right
I just realized
I planned it all.
Yeah, I thought I was in high risk carrying my camera around, and then I look at you.
You gotta send it.
About to hit some street spots or what? We got ledges, we got palm trees, got street lamps.
Have a good night, sir. Dude, it looks like Star Wars.
What a journey we've been on, Gabriel.
How do you like the state capitol, Rick?
Dude, this is the best. I ain't seen this around the Bay Area, brother. I think I'm in for one wheel. I'm in, you know?
I don't want it to end, Rick. I don't want it to end.
Should I ride across? All right, guys. Should ride across America on a one wheel, go to all the skate parks? Let me know. Comment it down below. It sounds good to me.
Rick is having a life epiphany over here.
I am, I think.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I've known you a long time. Never thought I'd see you doing something like this.
Hey, it happens. I got my folks with me. That's why.
Hey, Rick! Is it a highway or a freeway?
There's no road.
Whoa! What? Dude!
Here we are. That's it. End of the group ride. You guys have a good time?
Oh, yeah.
I know Bodie had a good time right here. Excuse me, sir, you look like you've been partying. I'm glowing, that's for sure. Hey, glowed up. You see all these one-wheelers then?
Oh, good! Yo! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! How you feeling, Glow?
Like a million.
We did it, Go. We did it.
Mission.
Well, we safely made it back to the Float Life headquarters. Shout out to the Float Life for organizing this. They've been so unbelievably amazing and bringing one wheels into our existence. Gabe Cruz and I and the gang have never been more hyped. What a fun trip, gang. I think if you've ever rode one wheel, let me know about your experience in the comments below. But that's gonna be it for this video. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave it in those comments. Want you to learn how to skateboard, we got everything you need on the Braille Army Plus membership. Let's go.